If your Google Chrome screen is shifting to the right or left, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick and easy fixes that can usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. This issue can happen because of a zoom problem, a display scaling setting in Windows, hardware acceleration, or even a corrupted cache inside Chrome. The good news is that you do not need any advanced technical knowledge to fix it. Just follow the steps with me one by one. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it keeps you updated with simple solutions for everyday computer problems. Now let's go ahead and fix Chrome screen alignment issues. First, restart Google Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window that is open and make sure the browser is fully shut down. If you want to be extra sure, you can also check that Chrome is not still running in the background. After that, open Chrome again and see if the screen is back to normal. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to clear a temporary glitch that causes the page to shift sideways. If the problem is still there, the next thing to try is resetting the zoom level. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and 0 at the same time. This shortcut resets Chrome back to its default zoom setting. A wrong zoom level can make websites look stretched, cropped, or pushed to one side, so this is a very important step. After pressing Ctrl plus 0, look at the page again and check whether the alignment has returned to normal. If it still looks off, the issue may be coming from your Windows display settings. To check that, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Display Settings. Once the Settings window opens, scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. Here, look for the scale option and set it to 100% or leave it on recommended if that is available for your screen. Incorrect scaling can sometimes cause Chrome pages to appear shifted to the left or right, especially if your monitor or resolution was changed recently. After adjusting this, go back to Chrome and see if the issue is fixed. If the screen is still shifting, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then click Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and open System. There you will see an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that option off. Hardware acceleration can sometimes create visual display problems, especially on certain graphics cards or drivers, so disabling it can often solve strange browser alignment issues. Once you turn it off, restart Chrome so the change takes effect. After Chrome reopens, check whether the screen is now centered properly. If you are still having the same problem, the last thing to do is clear Chrome's cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. In that window, select Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. Old or corrupted cached files can sometimes cause weird rendering problems in Chrome, including pages shifting sideways or not displaying properly. Once the cache is cleared, close Chrome and open it again one more time. At this point, in most cases, the screen shift issue should be gone. So to quickly recap, you restarted Chrome, reset the zoom level with Ctrl plus 0, checked Windows display scaling, disabled hardware acceleration, and cleared the cache. One of these fixes is very likely to solve the problem. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple computer tutorials and Chrome fixes. And if you want, check the description for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.